Hey, I'm Mike Thompson, maintenance planner here at the plant. Just this morning, another critical piece of equipment went down unexpectedly. Again, this single breakdown is costing us millions in lost revenue every single day, and honestly, it's exhausting. We're constantly reacting to problems instead of preventing them. Like many companies, we used to rely on preventive maintenance, scheduled work based on time or usage, but we all know that approach leads to unnecessary maintenance and still misses unexpected failures. That's why smart companies are moving to predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance uses real-time data from sensors, IoT devices, vibration analysis, thermal imaging, and advanced analytics to predict when equipment is likely to fail, so we can perform maintenance at exactly the right time. Here's where Verdantis MRO360 makes a game-changing difference. MRO360 is a powerful AI-native solution that sits on top of your existing ERP or CMMS and turns your MRO data into highly accurate predictions. It helps us by predicting future spare parts demand with over 95% accuracy, automatically setting smart dynamic reorder points, flagging obsolete parts and suggesting alternatives before they cause problems, giving us clear, actionable insights so we can plan maintenance proactively instead of reacting to breakdowns. The results? Dramatically reduced unplanned downtime, lower maintenance costs, and much better asset reliability. If you're tired of expensive surprises and constant firefighting, it's time to move from reactive to truly predictive maintenance. Let Verdantis MRO360 help you protect your production and boost your bottom line. Want to see how it can work for your plant? Reach out to us today.